Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, قال عيسى ابن مريم اللهم ربنا أنزل علينا مائدة من السماء تكون لنا عيدا لأولنا وآخرنا وآية منك وارزقنا وأنت خير الرازقين. Isa, Jesus, son of Maryam, said, Our Allah, our Rabb, sent down to us from heaven a table set with food, that it may be festival for first of us and for last of us generations, and a sign from you, and provide for us sustenance, and you are provider of the best risk. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قال الله إني منزلها عليكم فمن يكفر بعد منكم فإني أعذبه عذابا لا أعذبه أحدا من العالمين. Translation: Allah said, Indeed, I am going to send it down for you, but if anyone of you disbelieved after that, then surely I will punish them with such a punishment that I have never inflicted to any other in all worlds. So when the disciples asked Isa alayhi salam made the dua and requested Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to send down the table set with food and said that, Oh Allah, we will make this day the Eid festival day for us and for our next generations. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that I am going to send down the table set with food, but after that, if somebody is ungrateful, I will punish him the way I will not punish anyone in all the worlds. Some say that the table set with food like Maida was not sent down, but the way Quran says it appears that the Maida was sent down, and it is mentioned in some ahadith as well. Hazrat Ammar bin Yasir radhiyallahu anhu narrated that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that when the Maida was sent, it had the bread and meat, and they were commanded that don't do the betrayal and do not save this food for the next day, but they betrayed and also they tried to save the food for the next day. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them in the form of monkeys and pigs. Being ungrateful on the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a big sin, and it has a big punishment, and those who are ungrateful to the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the favors are taken away, and Quran mentions this again and again. In Surah Ibrahim, it is mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that if you are grateful to me, I will give you more, but if you are ungrateful, my punishment is severe. Some of the scholars have said that the rotting of the meat started from Bani Israel, and they say that when the Maida was sent down and they betrayed the commandments and they also tried to save the food for the next day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the food rotten, and the same mistake was done by Bani Israel when they were sent man and salwa, and they used to save that also against the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In a hadith mentioned in Muslim, Prophet Muhammad said that if Bani Israel were not there, the food will not rot, and if Hawa was not there, no woman will betray her husband. In the books of explanation of ahadith, it is mentioned that Hawa alayhi salam convinced Adam alayhi salam to eat the fruit of the forbidden tree. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.